My name is Luis Antonio Portillo Naranjo. I am 24 years old. I live in Sogamoso, Boyacá, and study industrial engineering at the UNAP. Have you been working for the same company for more of 5 years? Yes, I have been working for the same company for over 5 years. Where job you been working? I have been working as an independent since I dedicated myself to pottery. Have you been doing exercise in the last years? Yes, I have been practicing exercise for the last years. I like sports. What kind of exercise do you? I have been practicing soccer 5 or 3 times a week.